Baribo and Brett Berry still at it for that transfer position down the back straightaway. 5 cars, 4 will move on. I should say at least 4 will lock themselves in, do a little light work, but not have to work through LCQ here tomorrow night. See Banks now. First time in your stock car qualifier 2. He's got a challenger to the outside. Middle groove starting to show some life as Tim Watts up to the point. Brett Berry trying to get clear of Rhodes for the 3rd spot at the line. Still Bobby Banks, your race leader. Watts, Rhodes, Berry. Baribo lurking and waiting. Jeremy Zorn back there in a distant 6th spot lurking as well. And Watts, your race leader. Berry follows through in that middle groove to 2nd. White flag, 1 more lap to go. Can Watts make it official? Yes, he will at the line. 11W, Tim Watts, your race leader. Bobby Banks, Brett Berry. Berry around the outside groove. Can he get clear down the back straightaway? Banks still has a nose looking to the inside, still to the quarter panel. Berry keeping it wound up through the middle. Checkered flag qualifier 2. Tim Watts, your winner.